Hi, hello everyone. Today again we came here with our fifth experiment, that is a work in the virtual lab of the organic chemistry. Today we will go to prepare phenyl benzoate from phenol, and we have to determine the melting point of it. The basic principle of the of this preparation of phenyl benzoate is when we react benzyl chloride with phenol in excess of sodium hydroxide, it will get benzoylated and gives a ester. The ester here is a phenyl benzoate. As we all know, the formula of the ester is RCOOR. Here we can see the C development O and O is here, and the both R are being replaced with phenyl group. This is a special reaction. We call it to be as Scotman-Bowman reaction. It has several other uses in the pharmaceutical industry for the preparation of amides and other. We will focus on it the later part. Now take into account the procedure of the total preparation. First we have to take the 10 gram of phenol, which will be dissolved in 100 ml of water, and 10 gram of benzyl chloride is to be added. In the subsequent step, we have to add 10% sodium hydroxide solution until the whole solution get alkaline, which is a very important part to get the whole solution to be alkaline, because we have to carry on the experiment in excess of sodium hydroxide. In the step 3, the mixture is warm and shaken until the benzyl chloride smell disappeared. In the previous experiment we came to know that the smell of benzyl chloride is a choking smell, so it has to be completely disappeared to carry on the experiment. Now the product which we will get, we will wash it with cold water, dry it and recrystallize it with ethanol to get our original product. Then we have to calculate the theoretical yield and the practical yield corresponding the percentage yield and the melting point of the phenyl benzoate. Now take on the reaction. We take on the reaction as phenol and benzyl chloride in excess of sodium hydroxide 10% solution, which will give our corresponding product of phenyl benzoate. Now have a look over the mechanism of the reaction. We have started with RCOCl, that R is a phenyl group, and ROH, that is a phenol. R is a phenol group. Now there is the corresponding rearrangement occur. The double bond of the O will just broke down to shift over to the oxygen, and the corresponding the O of alcohol, that is a phenol, will get attached to form an intermediate compound, and correspondingly when the oxygen will be getting attached, that oxygen of alcohol will develop a positive charge. Correspondingly there is a small rearrangement with the removal of Cl minus and water, and the corresponding the excess of sodium hydroxide, means the hydroxyl ion, will take part in the reaction to get reacted with the H molecule shown here to get eliminated as a water, and corresponding the sodium ion which you get from the sodium hydroxide will react with the chlorine ion to form a salt, that is a NaCl, and hence we get the ester formation, that is the RC double bond to R. This is the total mechanism of the reaction. Now in the last experiment we have seen that we are facing a problem in the calculation of the theoretical yield. Many of you has done, that is a percentage, but here we have to clear it once more, that we have taken the starting material as two things, that is a phenol and benzyl chloride. We will take the benzyl chloride as a starting material. Correspondingly, we have to calculate the molecular weight of the benzyl chloride, and we have to calculate the molecular weight of the phenyl benzoate. So the X gram of benzyl chloride will give Y gram of phenyl benzoate. So 1 gram of benzyl chloride will give Y by X gram of phenyl benzoate, and correspondingly we have taken 10 gram of benzyl chloride. The 10 gram of benzyl chloride will give the amount which will be our theoretical yield. We cannot here calculate the practical yield, as we have to carry in the experiment when our college will reopens, and we have to just note the practical yield which was being stated in the official site of anything. We have to take the help of the Google, and I have also given you the link in the report section. You just have a look and write it down, and also the melting point, as we are being unable to carry out the melting point experiment virtually. When our college reopens, we will carry on the experiment. Thank you.